Hello, my dear student and my dear viewers. Again, I'm here just telling you the different shortkeys of CamDraw. This is already visible on the screen, CamDraw. The introduction about the CamDraw and all type of like what you do with the using this CamDraw we have already discussed in a previous video. But today I'll tell you the different shortkeys by which you can draw the structure very quickly. For it, just go to this toolbar is visible to all. Fine. Just go there. Structure. Fine. Click it. Now this is visible. Other option, they are not highlighted. When they highlighted, I'll let you know. For understanding this CamDraw in detail, please do subscribe my channel, because I'll upload the videos on the same day for the same. Fine. Just click it and write here name. If you want to draw any structure, for example, I am drawing benzoic acid. Fine. I'm just writing down the name. If any person, they are not so familiar with the like bond or atom, all that, just draw the structure. Now you can see. Fine. No need to draw any structure. It is so convenient. It is a user friendly. Just you have to click the option. After that, if you want to modify it, for example, if I want to if I'm doing any kind of essay, I need to replace this OH with I replace it with amino, amine, fine, and amine, and H2, fine. Okay, now you can see. And I don't know its name. As I already mentioned, if any person, they are not so comfortable in writing the structure, or they are not familiar with the IPAC name, just click this option. Again, go to the structure. Now you can see, earlier these options, they are not clicked up. Now they are highlighted. Now we need to know the name of the structure. Just click the last option, convert structure to name. Just click it. Fine. Now it is a benzamitamide. Fine. This is all about drawing of structure. One thing more, I just wanted to tell, if in hurry, sometimes we know that sometimes student, they are sometime, no, it always happened every time. Student always in the hurry, and sometime in this hurry, they click any wrong atom. For example, if I am draw here oxygen, fine. We know what is the valency of oxygen. It is not suited here. If any structure is highlighted with the red, it means that is wrong. Fine. Because the bond here, they are more. Now you can see, if I delete one or erase one bond, now the valency of oxygen, that is 2, it is fulfilled. Earlier it is 3, and 3 is wrong. That's why they highlighted it with the red. Now this software is also help. Sometime if you people are in hurry and you draw the wrong structure, they will highlight it that. Fine. This is all about the drawing of structure, the naming of structure, as well as how to check the mistakes. There is no need to have any expert with yourself. You can do drawing of structure, writing their name, as well as you can checking your mistakes also. Fine. This is all about CamDraw. And if you want to know about these type of short modules and the mini videos, all that of course manual, like sometime, like in my previous video, I have already mentioned one course manual of the Argus Lab. If you want to know anything about this drug design software, please do mention in the comment box. I would like to describe that in detail. And if I don't know, I wanted to learn from you people also. Fine. Because learning is always there. If you want to excel our qualities of the life. Fine. Happy learning. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. Thank you.